Continuing coverage now on Virginia State Police chaplains quitting. A religious group is calling for the agency to reverse the ban on using the name of Jesus Christ during some prayers. Nearly half of the state police chaplains walked away from the department last week because of this. Lee Mahaffey has our update.
Rob, tonight Virginia pastors are standing alongside the Family Foundation of Virginia and speaking out against the governor's support of State Police Superintendent Colonel Steve Flaherty's prayer ban. It asks state police chaplains not to say "in the name of Jesus Christ" at department-sponsored public events. They're saying the policy violates First Amendment protected rights of free speech and religious freedom. And they're urging pastors and other people to contact Governor Tim Kaine and State Police Superintendent Colonel Steve Flaherty to reverse their decision. They're also working with attorneys and members of the General Assembly to determine what legal action they can take if needed.
Requiring a Christian chaplain to effectively pray to an unknown God should frighten every American and Virginian, regardless of their faith. Once again, our sacred rights are being sacrificed at the altar of political correctness.
Last Friday, Governor Kaine was presented a letter signed by 86 pastors asking him to reverse his support of the prayer ban. He sent a 3-page letter back saying he stands by his decision. So now the pastors are planning a statewide prayer rally to honor the chaplains. It will be on November 1st at 10 a.m. at the Capitol Square Bell Tower, and that's not far from the governor's mansion. Lee Mahaffey, CBS 6 News.